Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorial River. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Today we are going to show you how you can calculate percentage of total in Microsoft Excel. For this, type equal, then select the cell next to it and add a divided sign, and then select the total cell value. Here is the total cell value is 1,41,000. Then press the F4 button on keyboard and then click enter on the keyboard. Don't forget to change the formatting to percentage. Next, we take the bottom line and drag it to the down as we need it. That's it. This is the process how you can calculate percentage in Microsoft Excel.